Every day, companies choose Camptech's PCB assembly services in the crowded arena of PCB assembly providers. Why? Because we deliver a winning combination of fast delivery, outstanding quality, and exceptional value that others find hard to match. Using the latest automated PCB assembly technologies, our expert team flawlessly assembles each of your boards so they operate correctly and reliably. Whatever components your design requires, you can count on us to assemble them on your boards, from ultra-small to fine-pitch parts to various connectors. Additionally, with our selective soldering capability, we can perform high-precision soldering of through-hole components on SMD boards. Whether you need a single prototype or require high-volume production, rest assured that you will receive quality assembled boards quickly, without any compromises. Become one of our many delighted clients who rely on us for all their PCB assembly needs. Contact us today to start your project.